So now we're going to take a look at a high performance edge device. So this is a device that has a lot of CPU, a lot of memory, maybe it even has a GPU, and then it's also internet connected. So for like a voice assistant, it also will have an input and an output device, which is a microphone and a speaker. It still might connect to cloud services to do some sort of record keeping, but for the most part, you have a very expensive device to handle most of the processing for your solution. So for this demo, we're going to use a thick client or a very high performant edge device. And this client is going to spin up an LLM. It's going to handle the text to speech and the speech to text, that is to process the audio on both ends for input and output. And then it's only going to send the relevant messages to the server application, which is more or less for record keeping. So let's go ahead and take a look at the demo. So for this demo, we're going to run Llama locally. So this is local on our edge device. And for all intents and purposes, the edge device in this case is going to be my laptop. This definitely will run on a Raspberry Pi with a GPU, something like a Jetson. But for this case, we're just going to run Llama locally on my laptop. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to run our server application, which is effectively just going to handle record keeping. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to run our client-side edge device. So this is the application that runs on edge. Tell me about California.
California is a state located on the west coast of the United States. It is known for its diverse landscape, including beaches, mountains, deserts, and forests. The state is home to many famous cities, such as Los Angeles, San Francisco, and San Diego.
All right, so you can see here that we got the speech to text to recognize me to ask to tell me about California. We got the response from Llama, which you can see right here from the chat completions 200 response. And then we also obviously got the audio for the playback. So that's what a high performance edge device is. You do as much of the processing as you can on edge, and then you defer only smaller things like maybe record keeping or state to a centralized server application. Thanks for watching.